Hi everyone, now I'm in Beijing. I will show to you a launch, VIP launch in Beijing Daxing Airport, and you can see. You see this is launch. Available also massage, 228 yuan. It's about 2000 peso maybe. How to entrance, how much need pay. You see this is price, but for me it's free because I am member here. So for a member it's for free. Name East Pacific Passenger Lounge. And I want to show to you foods. Free Wi-Fi, of course. I already prepared for me. Rice, fish fillet, soup, crackers. Later I will take more. Lunch is good. It's also can take shower also. Many rooms. Kitchen. This is fish fry. Chicken, it's spicy. Egg and tomato also. Egg and tomato. Bun. This is steamed rice and fried rice also. I choose fried rice. This is soup. Winter melon bowl soup. It's also good. With pineapple, I like this one. You can choose yogurt also. Different kind of yogurt. If you want noodles. This is bread. Cookies, also different cookies. Juice, grape juice, milk, orange juice, tomato. I like this tomato. It's also good. Later I will eat. Hot, if you want hot meal. Water. Any kind of tea, black tea, green tea, jasmine tea. You drink also. Coffee. What have? Cappuccino, latte have different kind of coffee. You know, in this airport, in Beijing, Daxing Airport, really very strict security. Before many times I pass by this airport, transfer to another airlines, and I always have my power bank. I will show. This is power bank, and I have same, only another brand. And have logo. Here have logo. In another power bank, manufacturer maybe 1 month ago, don't have logo. Logo, I don't know. I will show to. I will take picture. Yes, I will take picture and I will show which kind of logo allowed. Yes, you can see in the video. So this is power bank. It's allowed because have logo, but the same power bank only 1 month ago I bought. Before this is new model, but before model don't have logo. Don't have logo, one logo don't have. But the same. And they said it's not allowed. It's new rules in the Daising security airport. I don't know why. So I lost. It's good power bank, 10,000 milliampere, but only one have. So next time when I go to Shenzhen, I will buy again same power bank because it's portable, small power bank, and easy to USB Type-C, USB Type-A, and small. 10,000 but small. So it's always new rules here, and really security very strict here. Everything check, everything. So you need to remove clothes with jacket, check everything in a long time. It's okay now, not so many people this time. But if so many people, it's really need to time, maybe 1 hour or maybe more than 1 hour. So I travel a lot in China, only in Daixing International Airport have a problem with power bank. Because before, maybe 2 days ago, I traveling in Hong Kong and Shenzhen also. No problem, same power bank, they allowed, even not need to remove from the back, no problem. But Daixing airport, really very strict. So if you go to this airport, Daixing, in Beijing, you know in Beijing have 2 airports. So you need to know about rules, new rules about power bank. Because it's new rules, he said it's from June 28. That's why I'm not expected. It's okay. Hi. Where are you from? Amman. Yeah. Nice to meet you. Hi. From Amman. This guy is from Amman. International airport. My flight only 2 a.m. I don't want to sit in the lounge. I just want to walk. I walk already, I don't know how many kilometers. I just walk around the airport. It's good for me walk. I don't want to sit. And so many eat before sleep also not want. But I will sleep only in the airplane. I will show to you in Russia also video. Not so many video because I know our subscriber like Angeles. But I will show in Russia foods, and I show it's more cheaper than in the Philippines. Because some people think, oh, Philippines is very cheap country. No. Philippines is already not very cheap country. I will show to you. Even fruits, even meat, bread. In Russia more cheaper than in the Philippines. That's why sometimes I take so many baggage to Shaira, to me, foods. When I go to Russia, I always take foods, so it's good. Not need to buy so much in the Philippines. In Russia, good quality also. This is good airport, but problem is security, very strict. Always something we want to take. Last time they said your charger for my watch, for Apple Watch, inside have small power bank, small battery. They said need to also confiscate. I asked why. Because it's battery not don't have certification like this. Don't have certification. This is map of Daixing airport. restaurants. KFC close. Right now, McDonald's close. Starbucks open. It's very close, Starbucks. And have Family Mart. It's not so many choice in Family Mart. Yeah, well, you can buy something like snacks. You can buy. For example, you interesting how much beer? Beer 13 and half is Budweiser. I not drink beer, but you can see this is beer 13. It's about 100 peso. Lemon tea, it's about 60 peso. 60 peso lemon tea. It's also about 60 peso. Same 60 peso. How much watermelon? Watermelon 50 peso. I say about peso, no, it's about $1. How much Pepsi? Pepsi 30 peso. Pepsi 30 peso half liter. And what have? Hand food. 你好。可以吗？可以吗？可以。谢谢你。You can see also cake. It's also about peso. It's 65 peso cake. What is this? This is already a little bit expensive. It's 28. It's 200 peso. This is 200 peso. If you want it, you can. I don't know. Don't have price. Price don't have. You can see in Russian language. You can Russian and English. Russian and English. So in the China, you can see in Russian and English also. What is this? Condom. How much condom? Or it's not condom, I don't know. Mint flour, maybe condom, I don't know. 55 yuan, it's 45 maybe peso. Or 45, 400. Or it's candy. I don't know. Yeah, it's all candy, it's not condom. Sorry guys, it's not Angeles, it's airport, not need condom here. And they sell, this one is a power bank. Quick charge for 10,000. Price 139 yuan. It's about 800 peso. 800 peso power bank. I think expensive. This is power bank Basius. This is good power bank, but it's not allowed to go inside airport. This is 125 yuan. It's about 99 with discount. 99. It's about 700 peso. This is power bank. So it's okay. Price not so high. It's a normal price. If you go to another city, same price here. Family Mart. But it's different, of course, different choice. Not same like in the Philippines or Hong Kong. So in China it's different. Another VIP lounge. I like. It's more better than I stay today. I like this lounge. More choice. Working 24 hours. But I don't want it already. I eat before. And I also take some snacks I put in my bag. Because like this I put tea also. If I want hot tea. Also peach. You see peach too. Also I take this one. Oh, fall down. Oi. Because you can take so many what you want. You see, I don't have so many bag. I don't have baggage. And life hack, you see, You know, this is all my clothes. This one I can open. You see, this is all my clothes. T-shirt, jacket inside. And not need to put in the bag. Always with me also foldable plastic. It's foldable. If I need water, I put water inside. Also good. Already long time, maybe already 10 years I use. Need to change because plastic, you know, plastic need change. It's not good if plastic long time use. One day, I remember I sleep here. One day, so many people don't have space for sleep. Full of people. I very want sleep, don't have choice. I sleep like this here. Silent now, silent, because don't have people. But time now only 9:40. 9:40 and don't have people now. But I like this iPod. Problem only security, strict, very strict security. Take a look, girl, Chinese girl. They put in the information always like models always. So it's good looking always. Duty free. At duty free 24 hours working. This part of duty free. 24 hours. If going to the app, it's already immigration. I know you don't like this video because it's not interesting. It's not Angeles, don't have girls in my video, just only talk, walk, in not interesting place for you. Sorry, I come back to the Philippines, I will take video for you. I will walk. But I don't like go to walking street, really. Walking street for me, it's, I don't know. When even once a week I go to walking street, I don't like. I don't like this is walking street. For me, it's not interesting. I go only for you, only for take video. For me, better walk in the center of Angeles, downtown, any place, Barangay, not in the walking street, because I know what is some of my scam. I don't know how to explain to you, but I don't like. But I will take video, don't worry. And also from walking street always message to me, haters send message to me, why you take video, my girlfriend, in this video 2 times you take video here. Now new rules. She will go to police, she will go to, I don't know where she go, everywhere. Maybe she go to work in the bar only, but not in police. For police need to, what she said, someone walk in the street and just walk only, pass by her. I don't like, my face is privacy, like what she will say to police, it's privacy. It's okay, don't like, just message to me. We can remove your face if you, but I not, you know guys, I not focus to the girls, I just walk. It's not good if you focus, for example, focus. Focus, you stand and directly focus to the girl, to not only girl, anyone. It's not good. Yes, it's not, I don't like if focus to the people, but I walk only. And not focus, just pass by. But they afraid. Maybe have so many guys, maybe so many girls, have family, I don't know. No, use face mask, you hiding, or you send message to me. Please blur face, it's okay, not problem. But they send message to me, like, you idiot, you like this, you break the rules in the Philippines, you not follow rules. But they don't know rules. Who is? People from another country. They maybe sometimes have never been in the Philippines, or maybe once only been in the Philippines, don't know rules. They watch YouTube channel, some YouTube channel said, not allowed take video now. But they don't know. It's not rules. It's already law from long time ago. Just because you know it's Russian clone, Russian American clone, Vitaly. It's for him and for another YouTubers who not respect Philippine people. But how? I always respect Filipino people. I respect everyone, not only Philippine people. So I talk good. I think it's no one who say to me, you're not good, you're not disrespectful. And one also said, oh, you said not Santa's, A Santa's Street, you said Santa's Road. What problem? Santa's Road, Santa's Street, I don't know, really. For me, it's Santa's. It's short, only say it, I shortly say Santa's. Our subscribers understand. It's shortly, I don't want to disrespectful Philippine people or American people. No, some of people haters. Haters, they watch video and find something for, I don't know how to say. Okay, I don't want to talk so much because you already, I know, don't like me. Okay, thank you for watching.